Hey guys, it's your girl Christina Vega here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the Christina Vega so you don't miss any of my videos. And we are going to do something that I have not done in a very long time, and that is playing with color. We are going to create this purple blue smoky eye and have fun with some color. Guys, the palette that we're going to use is from PAT McGRATH Labs. And before I show it to you, and yes, we will be swatching the eyeshadows, I just want to say how much I love PAT McGRATH. I've been a makeup artist for 10 years now, and the first artist that I saw that inspired me, that just made me realize that I was meant to be on this earth to be a makeup artist and create, it was PAT McGRATH. This woman's looks on the runway are just phenomenal. They make you think out of the box. They make you want to be creative. And the second I heard that she was coming out with her own makeup line, I died inside and went to heaven. And then I came back so I can go to Sephora and buy all her products in honor of PAT McGRATH and her amazing products, straight from the runway products. Today we are going to create this smoky eye look. This is the Mini Mothership Eyeshadow Quad Nocturnal Nirvana. Let's open it up now. Okay. So, 4 colors. You already know how I feel about packaging. Used without caution, shade throwing and eye ecstasy may result with prolonged use. Look at these colors. So the first color we are going to swatch is the Incandescent Gold. Blitz Aquamarine. Next one we have VR Emerald. And then last but not least, the Blitz Purple. So pretty. Now, let's play with some colors. I'm so excited. Alright, let's get started. So the first color that I'm going to apply is the Blitz Purple. Right here. Boop. And I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to take a little bit here, and we're just going to pack this on from the center on the lid on out. This is very pigmented. Oh my god. When it comes to smoky eyes, for me, I like to gradually build the color, so I'm just going to go in a couple more times and we are going to pack this baby on. If you want to make sure that the eyeshadow is really close to your lash line, you can hold the brush a little bit differently. You should hold it over here, but you can also hold it this way and go right behind the lashes. Really make sure you don't miss a spot. Now that I have both eyes on, well, both eyeshadows on, then we blend this out. I'm using a crease brush, and we're just going to tilt our head back a little bit and small circular motions from the outer corner in. Just start blending the edge of the eyeshadow into your crease. Really just buff this out. The key of blending is just really smoothing it out so you don't see any harsh edges or lines. Okay. We're not done yet. I'm just getting really excited. I'm sorry. So I'm going to add a little bit more definition. I love this purple smoked out color. It's absolutely beautiful. But if you want to continue going on and adding more dimension, I'm going to layer this now with the Blitz Aquamarine color with a flat eyeshadow brush. And we're just going to tilt our head up again and tap. Really want to pack this on in the center. You can also use your ring finger. Your ring finger has less pressure, and we're just going to go right as like a press and roll. Alright, so I'm going back in with the Blitz Purple with a much smaller brush underneath my bottom lashes, taking a tiny bit, tap out, and we're gonna go underneath from the outer corner, and I'm just gonna work my way in. And then blend with a tiny crease brush. The next step is one of my favorite things when I do my eyeshadow, and I love popping a shimmer, a gold, a champagne color in the inner corners of my eyes, and this is going to be with the incandescent gold. I'm just taking a tiny little brush right here, and I'm just gonna pop this right here. I feel like I'm done, even though I really want to add a lot more. This is really cute. And now I'm going to apply the Perma Precision's liquid eyeliner in Extreme Black across my lash line. I like to start from the center and then kind of gently tap out whatever's left on my brush, then I'll go in a corner. This liquid eyeliner is waterproof. It delivers the beautiful, precise line. If you want that really crisp cat eye, you can achieve it with this pen. It's amazing. Last but not least, on the eyes, we are going to apply the Fetish Eyes Mascara. Guys, look at this brush. I'm going to take my mascara wand underneath the root and just kind of wiggle up. And this mascara lifts, it lengthens, it gives you volume. It's a little bit of everything. I love that I can get volume without having a huge wand. To finish off my look, I'm going to apply Lust Gloss and Divine Rose. And I love this color. It's like your natural pink lip with a little bit of oomph. I wanted to use something that was soft, subtle, but with color and life. But there's a great balance in my eye. I feel like my eyes still stand out. And it looks like we're done here. Alright, so this is our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching me create this look that was inspired by Pat McGrath. I love colors, and I really truly need to get back into it. Again, Pat McGrath inspires me all the time. I love her. Anyway, be sure to subscribe to my channel at The Christina Vega, and if you are not following me already on Instagram, follow me at ChristinaVega_. Most importantly, head on over to Sephora.com and at a Sephora location near you and get your Pat McGrath products. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. It is just amazing quality, and again, just like straight from the runway, products that she has been using. You bringing it to your home, and you can create all these amazing runway inspired looks or some new ones. Awesome, right? I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching.